Okay. So today we will be starting with the answer social aspects of advertising. So when we say social aspects, that means the ethics. Okay, what are the ethics that the advertiser has to follow, that the ad agency has to follow during the ad? Okay, so what is ethics? Ethics is a branch of social science. That means the morals, which we are the principles, the values of a society. As I have said you, Indian society is different from the other country's society. Okay, each country has their own customs, each country has their own religion, beliefs. But here in India, as we have so many religion, and each and every religion has their own importance. So every ethics, every moral, every principles and values are different. Okay, it differentiate what is good and what is bad. Basically, what our ethics help us to say ki what is good and what is bad. See, in whatever religion you are, हमको एक ही चीज बताते हैं कि हमें झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. We should not lie to anyone, isn't it? कोई ऐसा religion है जो हमें बोलता है कि you should lie? No religion will say you like this, isn't it? So ethics help us to know what is good for us and what is bad for us. In the same manner, when we are seeing the advertisements also help us to know what is good and what is bad. Some products may not be good for us, some products may be very well for us. But again, we will have to see to it, again, we will have to differentiate it by looking at the advertisements. Okay, so whatever advertisements the advertiser is placing, they should follow the ethics and try to give us the correct truth advertisement, so that the customers will not be facing any problem due to the advertisements. Okay, so it is the part of the advertiser as well as the ad agency to give correct advertisement, to give right information, to give right statistics to the customers, so that customers will rely and so that the customers will get a good product and a better product. Now, what are the issues raised by the ethical advertisement? See, advertisement of harmful products. Mostly, we are scared about the advertisement. Those are harmful. Harmful means, for example, advertisements of cigarettes, advertisements of alcohol. See, these all advertisements are banned in India. People cannot advertise for alcohol. People cannot advertise for cigarettes or any harmful drugs. These advertisements are, yes, tobacco, are banned in India. Okay. Next, advertisement to children. Basically, whenever we are seeing the product for children, okay, for example, your chocolate, which is the chocolate that children get more attracted? Can anyone say me that? Which is the advertisement? Which chocolate does the children gets more attracted? Okay, Melody, Dairy Milk, yeah, basically Kinder Joy, isn't it? So small kids will be attracted to the Kinder Joy, but Kinder Joy is not so helpful for them. Okay, it is not so hygienic for them. So, but they are advertising the product because it is a product. So, whatever advertisement is directing to the children, it should be totally ethical advertisement. Okay, then the false claims made in the advertisement. Now, what are these false claims? Slowly, we will move ahead and see these all these things. Excessive use of exaggeration means कि बहुत ही बड़ा चढ़ाकर बता रहे हैं, स्टेटमेंट्स को बहुत ही exaggerate करके बता रहे हैं हमें. Okay, unhealthy brand competitions. Okay, and use of testimonials. So these are some of the problems that has been raised due to the advertisement. Next, what does the advertiser must address themselves? What should and should not be advertised? सबसे पहले हमें क्या देखना है? Being as an advertiser, what should and should not be advertised? That is most important. Okay, then your advertising messages. Who should and who should not advertise? That is also important. See, we will not be advertising. Why? Because we don't have the product, neither we have the service, neither we have the idea. So we cannot make our fake company, we cannot make our fake brand, and then we should advertise. No. If you are having a product, if you are having a service or any idea, then you should go for the advertising. So all these things are important when we are framing the advertisement. What are the forms of the untruthful or unethical advertisement that will affect our society? Number one is your exaggeration. Exaggeration मैंने बताया आपको, exaggeration means my dear students बड़ा चढ़ा कर बताना, एकदम over exaggerate करके, मतलब कि नहीं है तो भी उसकी ज्यादा वाहवाही करना. That is what is the exaggeration. Exaggeration is the representation of something as more extreme or dramatic than it is real is. मतलब reality से भी बहुत ज्यादा exaggerate करके. Okay. Some advertisers make tall claims in their ads about the product. Okay, so they will be making the claim so that कि जैसे for example अभी Sting का advertisement देखा था आपने, Sting energy drink का. Have you seen that advertisement of Sting energy drink? Yes. So will it be really like that? Battery charge कर सकते हैं हम? Can we do it? No. So that advertisement is over exaggerated advertisement. कि बहुत ही उसको बड़ा चढ़ाकर वो एडवर्टाइजर्स एड एजेंसीज हमें प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. दिस इज टोटली अनट्रूथफुल एंड अनएथिकल एड. एथिक्स नहीं है इसमें. हाँ ओके, एनर्जी ड्रिंक ड्रिंक करने के बाद अगर कोई रनिंग रेस वो जीत रहा है या कोई कुछ दूसरा एनर्जेटिक काम कर रहा है तो रियलिटी दैट इज एथिक्स. बट दैट एडवर्टाइजमेंट इज टोटली अनएथिकल एड. Next is misuse of testimonials. Okay, so whenever you want to attract whenever your customers, क्या करना है, उनके testimonials को hit करना है. Okay, now why, how can we do it and why are we doing it? To get the customers. Okay, so here the major role will be played by your famous personalities. Why they are using the personalities in the ads? They are using to hit your testimonials. Okay, see, for me, some other actress or some sports person or some personality, anyone can be a favorite point. कोई ना कोई तो होगा. Either I may be liking film stars, either I may be liking any sports personality or anyone from fashion designing, whatever my interest area may be. So what I will be doing, I will be taking use of that personality. I will be taking use of that famous personality to hit your testimonial. Testimonials means कि जो हमारा जो insights होता है ना, that means कि जो हमारी feelings होती है, okay, हमारी feelings को touch करना, that is what is the testimonials. Okay, so as I said you now, हमारा जो personalities है, जैसे for example you said cricketer. So if people who are interested in sports, especially in cricket, so when Sachin Tendulkar will advertise something, so people will be more attracted. Okay, my favorite cricketer is advertising, isn't it? So वो हमें interest हो जाता है. जैसे अभी विराट कोहली है, कितने सारे advertisements में आता है ना. So using these personalities will uh, help to touch the feelings of the people. Okay, see, अगर आप किसी को बोलोगे कोई एक नया ब्रांड यूज करने के लिए तो कोई नहीं यूज करेगा. Will anyone will be using it? No. If I will also say, so who will listen? You will listen to me because you are knowing to me, isn't it? Or the people staying nearby, my neighbors, my family members, they will only listen. Apart from that, no one is going to listen, neither to you nor to me. If you are saying me, okay, ma'am, this and this restaurant or this and this boutiques are very nice in my locality. Okay, I will trust. Why I will trust? Because I know you. isn't it? So in the same manner, we know the personalities, whether they are paid, then also we trust somewhere, okay, these people are advertising, that means there is some truthness in that advertisement, some truthness in the product, and we follow them. Okay, but sometimes these testimonials may go wrong for wrong products also, or if the image of the personality distracts in the society, in the market, then the brand image will also be distracted. Okay, so these things we will have to keep in mind and we will have to consider. Next is pressure tactics. What the advertisers do, they put pressures on our mind. Okay, इतना pressure डालेंगे कि ultimately we will purchase the product. Okay, they will scare us, they will put us in fear. For example, आपका weight थोड़ा सा भी बढ़ गया, from 55 you have reached to 60. Okay, and you have gone to the concern to anyone for weight loss. What that person will do, that person will put you in fear. 60 kg हो गया है, अभी आपका कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ जाएगा, अभी आपका फैट्स बढ़ जाएगा, अभी आपको फैट के क्लॉट्स हो जाएंगे, आपको हार्ट अटैक आने के चांसेस हैं, isn't it? So they will put you in such scenario, such situation that you will be fear, isn't it? और फिर उसके बाद में क्या होगा, then they will sell the product, such like your insurance companies are doing. So this is what is the pressure tactics. Best example, your educational institutions, isn't it? They will give you the deadline, they will give you the date. अगर आपने इस date तक admission नहीं लिया, admissions will be closed. So all these are pressure tactics. Pressurize the people, and they will put you in such situation that you will think, okay, नहीं, अगर मैंने नहीं किया, so I will be scared, I will be failed, or I may have so many problems. So ultimately what we do purchase the product. For example, nowadays there everyone is saying we should wear the mask. Without mask, we should not go outside. Without sanitizers, we should not move outside, isn't it? So अभी थोड़ा regularize हो गया है, but जब initially pandemic start हुआ, COVID start हुआ, तब बहुत scare थे हम लोग भी. Without mask, without hand gloves, without sanitizers, we were not moving here and there. Yes, but I have seen the photographs of Govandi and Shivaji Nagar and Banganwadi, people were still moving like that. Okay, so please don't do it. Next is misrepresentation. क्या कर रहे हैं वो? Misrepresent कर रहे हैं. That means they are hiding the reality and showing you something different, something else. They are showing what we want to see, and then they are attracting the customers. Basically, advertisements हमें क्या दिखाते हैं? जो हम देखना चाहते हैं, isn't it? So they misrepresent the ads. For example, your cosmetics. Okay, they are showing you very beautiful model using a cosmetic products. तो आपको लगता है wow, हम भी ऐसे हो जाएंगे. But she know how to apply it. We don't know how to apply it. हम वैसे नहीं होंगे until unless we learn the things, isn't it? वो मॉडल आके तो हमें कॉस्मेटिक्स लगा अप्लाई नहीं करने वाली, हमें करने वाली है, नहीं करने वाली है. फॉर बॉयज, इफ दे सी कि ओके विराट कोहली बूस्ट का ऐड कर रहा है, तो बूस्ट पीने से मैं भी अच्छा क्रिकेट खेलूंगा. खेलोगे बूस्ट पीने से क्रिकेट? नहीं खेल सकते, क्यों? बिकॉज यू विल हैव टू प्रैक्टिस. So that is what is the misrepresentation of ads. Here you can see some examples. आपका favorite है ना, आपका favorite brand है इसमें? Yes. Either we prefer Burger King or we prefer McDonald's. So here you can see that ads में कितना beautifully दिखाता है वो, है ना? But actually क्या है? See, my dear students, when we are having the food from Burger King or McDonald's, we are having the frozen ones. ये सच्चाई है. Okay, so that all those are frozen ones because वो fresh नहीं बनाते. It is almost 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It takes time to prepare and store. So हम वो सारी जो खाते हैं तो हम क्या खाते हैं? हम frozen चीजें खाते हैं. Whereas compared to that, you can have your vada pav. At least वो fresh तो रहता है. Okay, so this is what is the misrepresentation of ad. ऊपर ऊपर का क्रीमी पार्ट हमें बताते हैं और फिर अंदर का स्टफ हमें मालूम ही नहीं रहता. एंड वी आर अट्रैक्टेड. वाओ, बर्गर किंग, अभी तो बर्गर किंग हमें ऑफर्स भी दे रहा है, isn't it? So we will rush to that. Next, false statistics. ये बहुत अच्छा स्ट्रेटेजी है. false statistics. That means अगर एक यूनिट भी सेल हुआ है तो हम लोग बताएंगे कि हमारा 10 यूनिट्स 50 यूनिट सोल्ड आउट हो गया. Now, are you really going and watching that whether they have sold it or not? So again, this is the strategy used by the advertiser as well as the ad agency to attract the customer. Now here they are saying out of 10, 9 are using the Colgate. Have you seen that really whether they are using the only the Colgate brand or any brands? How can you say that? When you go to the classes, okay, all my students have passed, 50% scored, 80%. Have you seen the result of everyone? So these all are false statistics only to attract the customer. Yes, they do advertisements only to attract, only to get the money, only to see that people are purchasing their products. Okay. As I have always said you, here only the customers are the fools. Okay, so they use the so many techniques, so many statistics, tactics, so that customers are attracted anyhow. They just want to attract the customers anyhow. They just want to sell the product. For that, they will be using some testimonial tactics or some offers, some discounts. Okay, somehow giving some interest to the customer, somehow giving क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कुछ लालच. हाँ, लालच देकर customers को what they will be doing, they will be forcing them to purchase the goods. That is what the customer advertisers do.